My dream job is to be a nutritionist for a college first in their sports program, working with athletes, and then hopefully work my way up into the professional leagues. I don't really care what sport, I just want to be around athletes. I've always been interested in nutrition since I was young. Me and my mom, this is something that we bond over and we find truly interesting. I've been an athlete since I was 4 years old. I've played soccer, and over the years, I've truly figured out how nutrition is a huge part of playing a sport. Whatever you put in your body will help you perform for games, for practice, pretty much for lifting and conditioning. So I think that's very important. Something that will help me in this class is, I think, communication and working in a group. It's not always easy to tell people what they shouldn't and should not eat. So that's something that this class could help me with, coming across and talking to my clients and talking to my athletes. Um, my plan is to definitely graduate from app and then get my certification in dietitians and become like a registered dietitian, and then hopefully get an internship and then work my way up into what I actually want to do is work with athletes, because I'm very passionate about that since I am a college athlete now.